Hypertension or high blood pressure is the most common preventable risk factor for heart disease. Over 1 billion people around the world have high blood pressure, which is defined as systolic blood pressure. A healthy diet is essential for lowering blood pressure and maintaining optimal levels, and research has shown that including certain foods in your diet, especially those high in specific nutrients like potassium and magnesium, reduces your blood pressure level. So here are the 17 best foods for high blood pressure. Citrus fruits including grapefruit, orange and lemons may have powerful blood pressure lowering effects. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals and plant compounds that may help keep your heart healthy by reducing heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Studies have also shown drinking orange and grapefruit juice may help reduce blood pressure. Fatty fish are an excellent source of omega-3 fats, which have significant heart health benefits. These fats may help reduce blood pressure levels by reducing inflammation and decreasing levels of blood vessel constricting compounds called oxalipins. Research has linked higher intakes of omega-3 rich fatty fish to lower blood pressure levels. Swiss chard is a leafy green that packed with blood pressure regulating nutrients, including potassium and magnesium. 1 cup of cooked chard delivers 17% and 30% of your daily potassium and magnesium needs respectively. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they pack a punch when it comes to nutrition. They are a concentrated source of nutrients important for blood pressure control, including magnesium, potassium and arginine, an amino acid needed for the production of nitric oxide, which is essential for blood vessel relaxation and blood pressure reduction. Pumpkin seeds oil has also been shown to be a powerful natural remedy for high blood pressure. Beans and lentils are rich in nutrients that help regulate blood pressure, such as fiber, magnesium and potassium. Numerous studies have shown that eating beans and lentils may help lower high blood pressure levels. Berries have been associated with a variety of impressive health benefits, including their potential to reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Berries are a rich source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which are pigments that give berries their vibrant color. Blueberries, raspberries, chokeberries, cloudberries, and strawberries are just some of the berries that have been associated with blood pressure lowering effects. Eating whole grains may help lower your blood pressure levels. Studies show that diets rich in whole grains may decrease your risk of high blood pressure. A review of 28 studies found that a 30 gram per day increase in whole grains was associated with an 8% reduced risk of high blood pressure. Pistachios are highly nutritious and their consumption has been linked to healthy blood pressure levels. They are high in a number of nutrients essential for heart health and blood pressure regulation, including potassium. Crunchy, sweet and nutritious carrots are a staple veggie in many people's diets. Carrots are high in phenolic compounds such as chlorogenic, picoumeric and caffeic acids that help relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation, which may help lower blood pressure levels. Although carrots can be enjoyed cooked or raw, eating them raw may be more beneficial for reducing high blood pressure. Celery is a popular vegetable that may have positive effects on blood pressure. It contains compound called phthalates, which may help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure levels. Tomatoes and tomato products are rich in many nutrients, including potassium and the carotenoid pigment lycopene. Lycopene has been significantly associated with beneficial effects on heart health, and eating foods high in these nutrients such as tomato products may help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. Broccoli is known for its many beneficial effects on health, including the health of your circulatory system. For example, adding this cruciferous veggie to your diet may be a smart way to reduce blood pressure. Broccoli is loaded with flavonoid antioxidants, which may help lower blood pressure by enhancing blood vessels function and increasing nitric oxide level in your body. Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense dairy product that packed with minerals that help regulate blood pressure, including potassium and calcium. A review of 28 studies found that consuming 3 servings of dairy per day was associated with a 13% lower risk of high blood pressure. Certain herbs and spices contain powerful compounds that may help reduce blood pressure by helping blood vessels relax. Celery seeds, Cleanto, saffron, lemongrass, black cumin, ginseng, cinnamon, cardamom, sweet basil, and ginger are just some of the herbs and spices that have been shown to have blood pressure lowering potential, according to results from animal and human research. Chia and flax seeds are tiny seeds that are teeming with nutrients that are essential for healthy blood pressure regulation, including potassium, magnesium, and fiber. Additionally, results from a review of 11 studies suggested that eating flax seeds may help lower blood pressure levels, especially when consumed in their whole seed form for 12 weeks or longer. Beets and beet greens are exceptionally nutritious, and eating them may help promote healthy blood pressure levels. They are high in nitrates, which help relax blood vessels and may lower blood pressure. Some research has shown that adding beets and beet products to your diet, like beets, spinach is high in nitrates. It's also loaded with antioxidants, potassium, calcium, and magnesium, making it an excellent choice for people with high blood pressure. The spinach soup also decreased artery stiffness, which may help reduce blood pressure and improve heart health. According to research, adding certain foods like leafy greens, berries, beans, lentils, seeds, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and carrots to your meals and snacks may help you reach and maintain optimal blood pressure levels. If you have high blood pressure levels or are looking to maintain healthy blood pressure, adding a few of the food listed in this video to your diet may help.